What's going on?
Yeah, good evening. I'm Uber driver. So a request. I took the lady with her
two
children.
kids.
Yes.
From where?
Right here.
In Tamarack?
I don't know exactly the address really.
But on the other.
Yeah.
Not over here, but
No. Because
across commercial.
Because the lady said give me a 2 minute around. Okay, let me.
What's up, guys?
So, say. No, Leo. The address. Going. No, the GPS at the left. No, at the right. No, please, lady. You are wrong. Please. No, please. Cancel. I give you extra money. Give me some money. Yeah, give me 10 bucks. Bring me to this address.
Where did you bring her?
Here.
Where is she?
She went to, I don't know, she was walking over there. I think all this warehouse.
She just walked over there?
Yeah, over there, between the cars. I was calling her. She was answering me. I'm okay, I'm back, I'm coming. Also, look, Emily. How many calls? 12 calls.
What does she look like?
It's a petite girls,
Okay.
like a Spanish.
Okay.
Spanish people have the dresses are like a brown one beige.
Okay.
Both. So also I send a message to Craig.
And you've been here for how long?
More than 2 hours.
Right here.
Yes. I don't know because I have
Yeah.
So, Emily, please come to pick up your children. They are asking for you. I send the because she is wrong. I just think maybe she don't know where.
Yeah.
Emily, I call the police. I have to leave. Please answer the phone.
Nothing.
Nothing. Look.
And you saw her walk this way?
Yeah, walk this way.
In the parking behind the trucks?
Oh no, I don't move right here because.
Yeah. No, but where you saw her walk?
Yeah.
She walked
I think,
in and that way.
Yes.
And then you didn't see her when she.
I drove for this way.
And you didn't see nothing.
Nothing.
You said you think she was drunk?
Excuse me.
Okay.
Give me.
What's up, guys?
She let it smell. It's wrong.
Okay.
She was wrong. I saw her. I told him. Hey, come here. What's wrong? Let me take you home.
Yeah.
No. Please. Let me take you home. Your babies.
Yeah.
Oh, no. Please. Cancel.
He's able to explain it to me, but about 2 hours ago, or a little bit more now, he picked some lady up out of Tamarack.
Yeah, because took the trip maybe
On February 13th, 2026, Sunrise Police in Florida responded to a 911 call from an Uber driver. A mother had left her 2 toddlers, ages 3 and 4, in his car for over 2 hours in a warehouse lot while she walked away. Officers found her Emily Sabagal and arrested her for child neglect. This is the body cam footage. The driver picked them up in Tamarack after karate. The mother deviated from GPS, canceled the ride for cash, then left the kids and disappeared smelling of alcohol. Under Florida Statute 827.03, leaving young children unsupervised is child neglect. He showed officers dozens of unanswered calls and messages. The kids were safe but tired. The driver stayed with them, gave water and snacks, and called police, preventing a worse outcome.
820
Yeah.
something. Yes.
She gave him an address. She kept telling him deviating from what the GPS was saying. She goes, just cancel the ride, I'll give you extra cash, give him like 10 bucks, and tells him pretty much ends up here. She gets out of the car, walks through the lot, disappears. Appears to be intoxicated. She was drinking out of a cup. You smell remnants of rum. No clue where she is right now. Just left the kids. Obviously, she doesn't know this gentleman. He's just an Uber driver, and walked off.
So he said he was able to call her.
Yeah, but she stopped answering.
Yes.
That's the problem. Let's hit this hard. She's got to be somewhere in here. She just walked in, and he's like, what am I going to do? Like, I got the kids. He says he drove over, didn't see anybody. He's like calling her. She was initially answering.
Yeah.
and stopped answering. But he's like, he was telling her, like, you're drunk.
Where did you pick her up from?
Yeah.
From her house, you think? Restaurant.
Like a plaza with bars in.
Yeah. So sort of. I mean, I'm not gonna game plan it, but canvas. Yeah. Start canvassing, take it by sectors, and figure out what we got. Let me start hitting too. Let me drive. You guys staying? You're staying here, right, with the kids?
Officers confirmed intoxication evidence and began a quick area search. Under Graham versus Connor, any force must be reasonable based on known facts, including risk to the children. They canvassed sectors systematically. Officers located Sabagal near McDonald's. The stop was justified under Terry versus Ohio due to reasonable suspicion of neglect. She admitted being in the Uber but gave inconsistent excuses. Phone died multiple stops. Officers noted intoxication and deviation from home. Probable cause for arrest solidified under Florida's neglect statute. Florida Section 827.032D defines neglect as failure to supervise young children. Leaving toddlers with a stranger for hours meets the felony threshold. Officers read Miranda rights properly before custodial questioning. Minimal force was used for handcuffing after verbal resistance, lowest level of the force continuum. No excessive force occurred. Officers prioritized child welfare throughout.
You can for.
Take your hands out your pockets for me. Do you have 2 kids? Were you just in an Uber with your 2 kids? Yeah, 5. I'm through 5 with her, just east of the McDonald's in the Publix Plaza off Knoxville and Commercial. Just do me a favor, sit down there. Sit down. Because you just left your kids with an Uber and we're all over town looking for you.
My phone died.
It doesn't matter. Do me a favor and sit down. What's in the backpack? Any weapons or anything like that?
No.
Okay, do me a favor, take it off and just set it to the side. Don't go in it. Just set it to the side.
Oh my god. Wait. Don't make me feel like a criminal.
You left your kids for 2 hours. It's been over 2 hours. Do you know where you left them at? Where did you leave them at? Where were you going? Huh? So you were just gonna leave the Uber and walk home?
Not walk home, but my situation is like a little bit complicated.
I understand that, but your number one priority should be your
My
kids.
children, absolutely, 100%. Oh my god, listen, I'm not a criminal, bro. I'm here. I'm sorry. I will cooperate, whatever it is, what it is. My bad, I'm sorry. This is crazy.
What's your name?
It's her.
My name's Emily. How you doing?
Yeah, it's her.
Where's my... What's going on?
I don't have a car.
Okay.
We're 25. We're 25. Not a car, what else?
I like to be honest, bro. Like, it is what it is. I don't
Talk
have a
to
car.
us.
My kids were with me earlier. I got a ride. They did karate over here.
Okay.
I came back. The ride was waiting for me. And I'm here now.
So where are your kids?
With the Uber.
Is there any reason why you just left them?
I didn't leave them.
So explain to me, so your kids were at karate here. From here you guys got in the Uber.
Correct.
Do you remember what color was the car? Do you remember the body style of the car? White car?
No, listen, like, I get a whole bunch of Ubers, lifts, all the
Okay,
time.
so you guys leave here in the Uber. Where was the destination from here?
Home.
Did you at any point tell the Uber driver to go somewhere else, a different route?
My phone died.
Okay, but that's not answering my question. At any point did you tell the Uber driver to deter your route out away from your house somewhere else?
No, just my phone was just fucking dead, to be honest with you. I don't mean to like be an asshole or be like mean, but like yeah, my phone was dead.
Yeah.
But what does that have to do with Uber getting you to your home if he already had your address?
Because I don't have my actual phone. I don't have my car. I'm not in control of my situation. And I'm with my kids. Oh God. Hi, how you doing? You alright? Yeah, baby, go on. I don't know what's going on right now. I'm good.
What's going on is you deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on.
I'm sorry?
You deserted your kids for 2 hours. That's what's going on.
Listen.
That Uber driver's been sitting with your kids waiting for you to come back for the past 2 hours.
You know what that sounds like? Honestly, like what probably happened. Because I don't have my phone. I just fixed my phone.
Why did you get out of the Uber? No response, no answer for that?
I'm like a human. Like, listen.
But you're not answering my question. Why did you get out of the Uber?
Asking me, my love. Like, I get it, 100%. Listen, like, it's like from morning to nighttime. Like, I have to make shit happen for all of them. Because right now I don't have a car. Okay, and it sucks. It's not an excuse, but that's me being fucking weird, to be honest with you. And it sucks. It sounds fucking stupid because I should have a car. But yeah, like.
Okay.
I don't know what else to tell you, to be honest with you. Okay. I'm not trying to be anything. I'm like, I'm okay.
So you're saying the reason you left them in the Uber is because you don't have a car?
It's not that I don't have a car. It's just my phone died.
Okay.
There was multiple stops. There were pizza at the karate place. So that's just
Okay.
And then we were gonna go home. I'm like, I didn't know how to even reach Uber guy or whatever. My phone was on tab. I don't have the charge. So you guys
Okay, so I understand and I get that, but I'm
I'm
having a hard time understanding why you got out of the Uber in the first place. And you're not answering that question for me. Listen, I'm not being an asshole. These are legit answers that we need.
No, those are legit like questionnaires that you should be asking. But listen, I signed them up for karate. I was here. I don't have a car. I requested an Uber.
Okay.
Okay. We were transit to go home. My phone died. There was multiple stops. And unfortunately, yes, my kids stayed in the car with the Uber person.
Were the multiple stops for you, or was the Uber was...
Multiple stops as in like pump, no. Like innocent fucking stops, though.
You mean like stops at like stop signs and red lights, or like he was destination stops where he was picking somebody up or something up?
I'm not trying to be an asshole, but bro, why would it be multiple stops at an Uber?
I'm still trying to get to the answer of why you got out of the Uber.
I get it, 100%.
And which way is home? It's that way, isn't it?
Commercial and University.
How did you guys end up all the way over there at 108th and 50th? That's the complete opposite way of where your home is. So if he had no other destinations, what brought you guys over there?
I'm like feeling like, listen, I have not done anything wrong. I have no idea what is going on. I'm sorry. I get your job. I get your whole persona. I get it. I feel you. 100%. I'm just a mom. I just want to see I want to go home, to be honest with you. And yes, I felt very vulnerable not knowing where the hell my kids were at. Because my phone was dead. I couldn't reach the guy that was giving me a ride. And it is what it is. That's the truth. That is the honest truth. Like, that is, like, as real as I could fucking get, to be honest with you. I don't mean to curse, but it is what it is, bro. I have learned to be honest with my shit. And you know what? Yes, it sucks to not know where my kids are at. My kids are everything to me. My life. I signed them up for karate. I don't have a fucking car. I fucking got picked up from my job. Fucking rides here, there, drop them off. Fucking sucks.
Sweet or Miranda? I don't.
Yeah. I'm on. Yeah, everything. All right. The law requires that you be advised of these rights prior to answering any questions or making a statement. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. I'm just reading you your rights.
Okay, wait. Am I being arrested right now?
You're not. No. You're not in handcuffs. Nobody's pulled them out. I just have to read you your rights.
Okay.
Don't.
You're not going nowhere.
You're not free to go.
That's okay. No, I just
Sit back down.
No, that's okay.
Just
that's fine.
let me finish, and then we'll get to it.
Right now, I feel very vulnerable for I don't know what.
Just let me finish, and then we can get to talking, okay?
You're very intimidating.
Would you like her to read them? No.
Come on. Boo! Ow, 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 ow. You guys are too strong. You're too strong. You eat your vegetables, that's why. You eat your vegetables? Yeah? You eat them? How old are you? You know? You 3? Oh, 3? You're a big boy. You're strong. You're 4? Oh.
Sabagal was charged with child neglect, third-degree felony, and 2 counts of child desertion. She posted $3,000 bond. The father plans to seek full custody, case ongoing in Broward County as of March 2026. Sunrise officers earn a prompt response, child first priority, effective search, correct probable cause, and Miranda minimal force and professional de-escalation protected the kids. Emily Sabagal receives an F, abandoning toddlers with a stranger for hours, while intoxicated endangered them severely. Inconsistent excuses and no real accountability violated basic parental duty. Key lessons. Child safety is non-negotiable. Never leave kids unsupervised, especially with alcohol involved. A dead phone isn't an excuse. Florida felony charges can mean prison fines and loss of custody. Rideshare drivers need better training for these crises. Parents in tough situations should seek help early from family or services. Protect the children first always. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to discuss in the comments. Thank you for watching, and check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police and courtroom content.